Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And today we'll be taking a look at this 2018 Toyota Corolla SE with your upgrade package. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger sedan, and the color is called Black Sand Pearl. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch steel wheels. Now, some of your features include your multi-LED headlamps. You also have your forward collision mitigation, and you have your awesome rear vision camera. But there's lots happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your Corolla is this handy dandy key with fob. On your fob, you have your lock, your unlock, your trunk release, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front door, and pushing it twice will unlock all four. And you can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicators there. You also have your heated door mirrors, and we're just going to open this up here and take a look at the interior. So nice amount of room to get in and out, really nice and spacious. You do have some storage here on the driver's side door. You also have your power windows and your locks, and just to the left of your steering wheel here is your power mirrors, along with your heated seats, your heated steering wheel and your windshield wiper defrost button, so that's going to be really handy for the winter. You do have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean, and you have these really comfortable, really nice and soft seats on the inside, and then you have your power tilt and slide sunroof, so that's going to be great for those summers. You can let the sun shine in. And we'll take a look at some more of the technology features here. Here we go. Taking a look, you have a nice blue ambient lighting, really easy on the eyes, and that lighting is all throughout the interior. You do have this great leather-wrapped steering wheel and your heated steering wheel, once again, so add some luxury to your drive. And then you have all of your mounted buttons that you're going to want. You have your volume control and your music selection buttons there, your mode changer, your hands-free calling, and your voice command here on the left. Then on the right-hand side is your central information display toggle buttons here. So this is going to give you all of your settings, your pre-collision system, your lane departure alert, all of those different settings that you can do. So that's going to be nice. You're going to have a lot of information just with the touch of those buttons. You have your lane departure alert just there, and you have your dynamic radar cruise control. And this is your cruise control right back here. This is going to be great for all of you highway drivers out there. And taking a look at the audio now, you do have everything that you're going to want. You have your AM, FM radio, you have your CD player, your USB, your Bluetooth audio, and you have your auxiliary. So lots of different ways to listen to your tunes that way. And then you have all of your trip information here in your car application. So this is going to give you your fuel economy. You can take a look at your driving habits, things like that. And then moving a bit further down, your temperature control does include your air conditioning for those summer months. And then for the winter, you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. Those are always really nice to have. And then you have your audio input and your USB just there. And right down here is a 12-volt DC plug-in in case you have any other devices that you would like to charge. You've got some storage right down here. And you have your manual mode, which is super fun to drive the Corolla that way. A nice leather shift changer there. And then you have your traction control and your sport mode. Again, really fun to drive the Corolla in the sport mode. You have a couple of cup holders, and then right back here is a double-decker center console. So that's going to give you 2 different levels. You can hold some smaller items at the top and some bigger items at the bottom. And then right in here is your nice big glove compartment. We'll have all of the manuals that you're going to need. Nice amount of storage space there. You have this great blue stitching all throughout the interior, which matches all of the lighting. So really nicely designed. Lots of great stuff happening in the front of the Corolla. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Taking a look at the back of your Corolla now, I did mention that there was a trunk release button on your fob, so we're just going to open this up and we'll take a look at the cargo space. Now, just because you're driving a sedan doesn't mean you don't have anything to carry, and the Corolla has a nice big trunk, so you're not going to have any problems there. And right under here is your spare tire with all of the tools and jacks that you're going to need. You know, gosh forbid anything happen to you while you're on the road, but if it does, you do have those tools to get you back to safety. I'm just going to close this back up here for you. We'll give you a nice view of the back of your Corolla. We'll give you a last look of the 2018 Toyota Corolla SE with your upgrade package. Now, there's a ton happening in this vehicle that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, ask all of the questions, see what kind of warranties are available to you. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.